Tired of manually transferring property data between Propstream and Podio? Let's fix that. First, log into your Propstream account and navigate to the property you want to add to Podio. Pay attention to the address and make sure this is the right one. Next, select and copy the property address. This is a crucial step to ensure accurate data transfer. Now, switch over to your Podio account and open the relevant app within your workspace, where you store property information. In our case, we are using a simple Properties app. Click the Add Item button or the equivalent option to create a new entry for the property. Usually it's on the top right of the app. Paste the copied address into the address field and then fill in the other relevant details from Propstream, such as the estimated value, square footage, or any other crucial information. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click the Save button to add the property to your Podio database. And that's it. You've successfully transferred data from Propstream to Podio, streamlining your workflow and improving collaboration.